Alrighty. Let's talk about ACHC. This just came across my scanner here, and it's looking very interesting for a bottom reversal type of play to the reversion to the mean of at least EMA 5, if not 10. So as I'm looking at this chart, as you can see, we have this bottom band, which is the green, is your Keltner. This EMA, the EMAs are in the middle. You have the 5, the purple, the 10, 20, and 50. And then this upper band is your upper Keltner. So when I'm looking at ACHC, I want to make sure, okay, is it a decent company? Looking at the news, make sure there's like nothing really terrible. I don't really see anything. We have a bunch of targets cut from 34, from 38. The price right now is $15 right now. We have a price target cut from 30, from 35 at KeyBank. So, but here's the thing: when you have a lot of analysts on it, there's definitely a lot of institutional money into something like this. You know, this isn't your crap penny stock where analysts don't even want to analyze. So it's definitely good to see that. But you can do some more research on this. I mainly make sure that there's just nothing like insanely bad about it. I'm not seeing anything that scares me about this stock. So the thing I want to look at is the chart, and just because it touches this lower band does not mean I get in. Just because it does that doesn't mean I get in. I want to make sure that price is giving me a good enough target for this to even take the play. So if I'm getting in right now, the EMA 5 is giving me roughly a 7% return. It's not terrible. It's not like amazing, but that's what it's giving me right now. And then how many days have we not touched this 5? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's definitely meeting my criteria of, hey, I'm looking to get in. And as always, it's impossible to catch the bottom. For a lot of these trades, what I look to do is, one, I'm looking to get in towards mainly the end of the day, as that's usually where the big sell-off ends. As you can see, most of these candles are bodies of a candle. I just now saw this. I personally would get in on this right now. I don't see anything wrong not to get on it. So I'll see what it does tomorrow, see if we get some little redness on the opening bell, and I'll look to accumulate this. I like to accumulate 3 times on bottom reversals. This is definitely a downtrend. As you can see, the EMA 200 is at the top. It is quite above this upper band, so I can definitely see that it's extremely in a downward trend right now. But you can see that price can touch this lower band and go all the way back to the EMA 50. That, price has done that many times. Touch this lower band and go all the way back. There's no doubt that I'm talking about a conservative target to the EMA 5, but what if history keeps repeating, goes all the way back to the EMA 50? That is a 42% return. We have seen that done it many times. From here, all the way above. I mean, look at these monster spikes. This is the first time we've had, that's a 61% return. This is the first time we've been dramatically oversold. So I'm definitely watching this. I mean, look at these monster spikes that this has done, 39%. Now, granted, not every spike's going to be the same. You can see right here, I'm not using time distance. I'm just looking at here. If this was a normal EMA 5, look to take profit, and then it shoots back down. You don't, nothing is guaranteed. Also, there's a gap, so I wouldn't have played this. But I'm looking at this stock right in here. I think this is a pretty good stock. I'm surprised it's undiscovered. Not a lot of people are talking about it. I'm in another one right now, but I'm definitely looking to put some money into ACHC, Acadia Healthcare. I really like this. We have price targets from 17 to 35. All hold to buys. Nothing wrong. We even have option chains. And it's 24/7. You look on Webull, there's a 24. Usually when you see a 24/7 stock, those means they're more liquid. So I do like this. I'm getting into this. I'm hand over fist. I'm getting in on this tomorrow. I'll get on this on the opening bell. I just want to hurry up and see it because I'm like, dang, how am I missing this one? This thing could make a monster move up to that 50 again and make a 42%. Just to the very least, I'll take that EMA 5. And then if it does decide to go down, I'll go break even. So, if it touches the EMA 5, take your smaller win and then make sure you go break even. That way you can't lose on the trade. Now it's like, how much more money do you make? All right. So that's how I look to play these bottom reversals. And if it starts curling up, then boom, you make more and more and more. Same style that I did with SOC. Remember, I played SOC, hit the EMA 5, took some profit, came all the way up, take some more profit. Because remember, these are downtrend stocks. They can go all the way back down and make a new low. ACHC is my number one play. It's got some nice volume. It's not like dead on volume. It moves decent. It doesn't move like amazing, but it moves decent enough to make some decent profit. It's got, and it's not too overpriced. It's not too penny-ish. It's just above $10, which is the area I'd like that are good quality stocks where you can put bigger money in and sleep good at night to be like, okay, I know this is a great reversion mean. I know it's a good stock. I can hold this for a while if I need to. And we are this stock was way back in the day, all the way up in $90 back in 2022. We're coming into the COVID levels way back in here. So just keep that in mind. We're way back here in the 2020 levels in COVID era. So definitely looking at this chart. I'm not going to sleep on this, guys. Don't sleep on this setup right here. Number one stock to buy right now in the very near future. Not going to miss out on. I'm probably going to get it on the market bell. I'll probably add some more end of the day if it's gone. And I'll look to add some more. I'm just going to accumulate the heck out of this one. I think this is such a good. Have a max amount you want to put into it. So if you're looking to put $20,000 into it, do increments of $7,000 buys, and that way you have enough to put 3 ads in it. All right, guys. If you guys want to join the Discord and be a part of the most amazing community of thousands of members, definitely click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, hit how to subscribe and hit Big Cap Day Trade Alerts right up in here. And you'll get access to the day trade, swing trades, live streams, educational content for all of a low monthly cost of $12 a month, and it will never go higher. And just make sure you use your computer to avoid the iOS fee, and you'll be all set to go, guys. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this one. This one is an undiscovered gem. Not a lot of people talking about it, but I like this one a lot. This one looks like, I'm looking at the comments here, looks like people are kind of pissed about it. Well, they probably got in a little too early. I'm just now looking at this for a reversal setup. So ACHC, I love it a lot, guys. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment if you enjoy my comments or my content. As you know, a lot of my bottom reversal plays have made monster money for you guys. These are high quality stocks, so you don't have to worry about them, ever doing a reverse split. Usually, they don't, I don't see anything really bad about it. They have lots of analysts on it, so that's good to see. But my game plan. I'll go live tomorrow. I go live every day, so if you ever need my thoughts on when I'm looking to get in, I use intraday timeframes to get in. All right, guys, let me know in the YouTube comments below what you think about this stock. And as always, join the Discord to get the real-time interaction of what I plan to do with my alerts. Peace out.